order to explain the principles with which we are concerned in this story, let's assume that we can stop the action within the atom. And further, let's acknowledge that this is a symbol representing the atom and not an attempt to show it as it actually is. It is impossible to show the correct relative proportions of an atom on this screen. For example, if an atom could be as large as the United States, one of its electrons would be only about 100 feet across. Therefore, to tell our story, we must resort to a symbol. Then we can think of the atom as being a group of relatively light, small particles in order to supply our great demands for electric power. We must have facilities for generating great currents to overcome the resistance of the lines, as well as to do the work, transportation, and light, as well as for many other conveniences we use in our daily lives.